Hello everyone. Welcome to the another session of Thoughts on Education, an initiative by College Dunia to bridge the gap between students and colleges and providing with the better career. So here we have Dr. Sant Kumar Chaudhary. Sir, can you please give a brief about your profile and the institution?
Uh, Thank you very much, College Dunia. I'm grateful that you had given an opportunity to convey you all what we are doing and what we are. Myself is Dr. Sant Kumar Chaudhary. I'm the founder chairman of Shankara Group of Institution. We are helping people in agriculture, in health, in education, in technical education. We are having 51 institutions in different part of the country of North India. We are having in Delhi, Rajasthan, Bihar, UP, Jharkhand, Odisha, and we are expecting very soon in Northeast also. Today, we are having institution from primary till research. We are having technical colleges like Engineering College, Management MBA, PGDM, and we are having B.Ed colleges, DLEd colleges. These all we have chosen for the benefit of the student, for the benefit of the society. We are having Chenab Hospital. We do journal. We are publishing from our trust in agriculture, in technology like Technicon. So these are the main that we are doing for the upliftment of the societies.
Yes, sir. That's good to know. So let's start with the interview, sir. So you have been in the key positions in the education sector throughout your professional career. So what are the key factors which kept you connected with this sector?
You see, to give the quality education, what I feel, I should give maximum in personal involvement. If having connection with administrative staff, academician, so that is more easier. That is, having much more visibility. So what I do, I believe in personal involvement, and from top to bottom, all are well connected with me, and I am very much happy to convey you all. Whenever they require me, I'm always available, and that gives a lot of the benefit to run institution smoothly. Whenever they require any type of help, any type of support, any requirement, so since I am available all the time, their requirement is fulfilled immediately.
Sir, being a chairman of Shankara Group of Institutions, how do you strategize about key programs and plans for marketing and administration of your group?
What we do, we believe to have good connection, interaction with our alumni and their parents. That is the first part. Second part is media. Third part, to give a platform of Shankara Group of Institution to any other student coming from different part of the country, different part of the world. Every year, number of a national level program is being organized by our Shankara Group of Institution, where academic, sports and cultural competitions are there. So our students getting an opportunity to interact with others, and if they have tough competition, our students working hard and they feel where they are lacking. So others are also benefited and our students are also benefited. So in marketing wise, that Shankara is known to everybody then, because the students are coming to Shankara, then their parents are knowing that where they are going, they are coming to Shankara. Media, we require a good coverage because we are inviting dignitaries also, and then to attract other students. What we do, we are keeping very huge amount as an award. Then we are giving in cash, we are giving in kinds, and Number of dignitaries, national, international dignitaries are coming to give them award. So they are also encouraged. So these are through media, through alumni, through parents, through our students, and giving the platform to other students. We are giving an opportunity to make fame our Sankara group of institution.
That's nice. Sir, at Shankara Group, how does the different programs offered will help the students outperform and stand apart in the crowd?
Shankara Group always believe Vidya Dadati Vinayam, Vinayam Dadati Patratvam, Patratvam Dharmapnot, Dhanat Dharma Tata Sukham. We believe that if you have quality education, certainly you are making a good citizen of the nation. And students are in position to earn good money also. And if they have money, they can enjoy life, they can help others, and they can contribute to the nation and the world also. So we believe in that. Always in first session, when newcomers are coming to Shankara, that is addressed by me, and always I convey them, believe in Paropatapena Samriddha Bhavam. If our student will think for others, automatically they will get benefited. So what we do, we are giving quality education, and to provide quality education, best infrastructure is required. Without infrastructure, they cannot get quality education like excellent labs, excellent library, excellent infrastructure to accommodate them. So if anyone will see the Sankara group of institution, our infrastructure is A++, great infrastructure where the students are benefited and they are studying properly and they are getting good quality of faculties, administrative staff to help their students. So these are the major, this facility. Some faculties we are providing in the campus 24 hours to take care hostel student. Automatically quality education come, and if anyone is having quality education, no problem for their future.
True, sir. What you have said is true. Sir, at Shankara Group, how do you tend to build an industry connection with different programs?
What we are having the interlink with the industrialist. Time to time, we are calling industrialists to the institution. Even it's a mutual understanding. Even our products required in industry, and our products require industry also, where they can go for exposure, they are going for industrial training, and then last but not least, they are going for a job also. So what we do from first year in any subject, in either it's a management or it's a engineering, we are time to time we are calling in this list. They are having interaction with their student, and what we do, our TPO section is always in their touch. So what type of requirement is always there is no they will not have the same requirement. It varies. Sometimes they require automobile engineering much more. Sometimes they require mechanical engineer, electrical engineer, some retail management for MBA student. So what is their requirement? Accordingly, we teach them as a extra subject, and like tutorial classes is being given to the student. So students are benefited, and industrialists are attracted towards Shankara because we are giving good response. Our students from first year, they are going for industrial training. They are in direct touch with the industry. So they are happy, we are happy.
Yes, sir. Sir, so considering the current pandemic scenario, what has been the impact of COVID on your curriculum, faculty and students? So, and what measures have you implemented to help the students?
What we have done, no doubt, both are required. Physical presence also, that is equally important. But during this time, there was no alternative. So we have facilitated this online education. Our faculties have shown their interest, and our student at the same time has also shown their interest because it is in their benefit. So with the online classes, they are performing well, and our faculties are also, they are helping them. What we have done during this period, we have arranged number of international seminar, because you will be knowing that you will feel very happy to know that Sankara Group of Institution is having collaboration with European Union. European Union is a collaboration of 27 countries. So our faculty and students are getting benefit under exchange program. Our students are going there, their students are coming to Sankara Group of Institution, and it's a free of cost. Our students are getting full scholarship in any European country where they would like to go. At the same time, our faculties are going to European country, and their faculties are coming to Sankara Group of Institution. During this period, what we have done, I have invited number of international faculties also, and they have taught our students online. So students are benefited, and they have selected many students from our Sankara Group for their higher education in their country in European Union. So in this situation, that was the only alternative, that was online. So online classes was continued, and we have taken care about the academic session regarding this. We have given full knowledge for other university also what they are doing. So since now in globalization, we are very closely this each other. So our students are getting benefit out of that.
Okay. Sir, next question is, what are the types of projects that the students were working on through different programs at Sankara Group?
What we do, we are getting projects from hospital, like they required some equipments. We are having a project from Agriculture Institute, and from market also, like our automobile department, mechanical department, electrical department, they are getting projects from industries also. So we are in process, and while doing this project, our newcomers, means junior student, they are trained. So it's a regular process that we are having projects from hospitals, from industry, from Agriculture Institute, and like software. Even our student has developed number of software. What we are doing in collaboration with RTU, Rajasthan Technical University, every year we are having a national and international level hackathon, in which we are giving problems given by the industrialists, banks, and immediate it is a 36 hours, 48 hours continued process hackathon. And then and there, our participants are developing software, and they are getting selected by them, and their projects are being financed, managed, which is one of the biggest organization of Government of India, has financed 20 students, 20 lakhs each last year. 15 students was financed last year. This year also in month of March we had. So Corona has not affected much more, although it had affected, but with the presentation of these activities, our students are benefited, and projects is being financed by these organizations.
Sir, lastly, do you have any suggestions for the current youth and the aspiring students?
Sir, what I feel that education should not be only syllabus basis. Syllabus is to get a certificate for degree. But if you want to make your career, then you will have to be multifarious. You will have to be expert in extracurricular activity. You will have to be a good citizen, good behavior, helping each other nature. If you are helping someone, you will be reciprocated by others also. Then a student should choose those institutes where infrastructure should be excellent, where some, like, our students are attracted towards international colleges, other country, European country, USA. Those institutions was already having this type of facility where international faculty are coming, where a student can go from the institute with the help of this collaboration. And like Shankara Group of Institution is having A grade in RTU, because how grading system is being opted. Like university see the quality of education, placement of the student, admission of the student, faculty's quality, what are the extracurricular activities. After seeing all these points, it's coming under grade. So Sankara is in top 10. So if we are in top 10, if we are having A grade among institute in RTU, certainly we are having some plus point. So a student should go to those institutes where they can get a good infrastructure, good quality of faculties, good quality of this administrative staff, good library, labs should be fully equipped, because in technical education, theory is not only sufficient. Without practical knowledge, you cannot compete. So where they are having good labs and library, good faculty, good infrastructure, they should opt. And first, they should be a good citizen and go for quality education, more and more knowledge-oriented courses. They should gain knowledge, not only syllabus-oriented course. This is my suggestion for newcomers, and should be multifarious, should be equally involved in sports, because I will tell you, always I say to my student कि खेल कूद से आप शरीर स्वस्थ बनाते हैं, शरीर स्वस्थ होता है तो आपके विचार स्वस्थ होते हैं, विचार स्वस्थ होता है तो अच्छी शिक्षा होती है, और अच्छी शिक्षा होती है तो अच्छा समाज बनता है। इसीलिए खेल कूद भी जरूरी है। अगेन आवर कल्चर, because our quality is excellent. In India, we are having different type of culture where, suppose if you are tired, if you are attracted towards some music, some dance, some cultural program, so you feel comfortable. So should be multifarious, you should be attracted towards other extracurricular activities also, not only with your syllabus. This is my suggestion to our students.
Indeed, sir. Sir, thank you for giving insights about Shankara Group and advice to the students. I am sure viewers and students will have takeaways which can be used for better decision making when pursuing career choices. Thank you, sir.
Right. And thanks to College Dunia also giving me an opportunity to convey my feeling towards a student, and the same time what Shankara Group of Institution performing to convey to our newcomers and the society. about Shankara Group of Institutions. Thank you very much.